Hello, my name is Jeremy Probst and this is Levi. Today we're going to be discussing the three types of restraints. You have your verbal restraints, which would be using your voice to say whoa, changing the pitch of your voice so the horse understands it and gets the desired reaction out of it. And then you also have your chemical restraints, which would be storm, ace, and romping. Romping and ace are given at 1 to 4 cc's, and then the other is given at 1/4 to 1/2 cc. Here we're demonstrating the leather halter with the lead rope. This is one of the least restrictive restraints that you can use. It's simple, easy. You can also use to bump it up the severity a little bit, you can use a rope halter, and depending on where the knots are at and how thin it is, across the nose will be a determination of the severity of it. The next one we want to discuss here is I have Jocelyn come over here and hold Levi. Will be a chain over the nose. Here I've got a regular lead chain, and what I'll do, starting on the wrong side, is I will take it through here as quietly as possible, go over the nose, through, down, making sure that the chain crosses over the top of the halter, attaching it to the offside, making sure that the trigger is facing out. Then I will, over here, take some of the slack out. Making sure not to have a loop in my lead rope, and to make it more, whenever you need it, apply a slight pressure down and it tightens the chain, and you have your reactions, your desired reactions. Our next restraint will be the lip chain. This is very similar to the chain over the nose. Mind you that you're not going to be crossing over the front, and you want to ensure that your links are flat up against his gums and all the way up in here. Again, you're going to start on the onside. I like to go over the nose here. That way I can control the excess, and that way it reduces, goes here to the top. Making sure that the trigger is out there, and come back over here to this side. Lift. You got this. And then this does not take hardly any force at all. And just hold there, and then you would have your lead rope attached. Next, we're going to do the lip twine. You just get a tie back or a piece of baling twine, tie a little loop in it, bring it across here at the bottom, because you want it to go straight across his mouth. You're going to want to get any knots or anything out of it. That way it's smooth. And the thinner the rope, the more severe it's going to be, and the more caution that you need to use to keep from ripping their gums up. Again, I'm going to go over the top, feed it through this eyelet here, and then just like the chain, get it up there all the way, and then it just takes the slightest pressure down and he's restrained. The easiest, and it's not very effective, but just like if you've just got like one little strip in the ear to finish up or one little patch on the leg, you can do what is called the shoulder roll. The shoulder roll is where you grab, pinch, you get a good handful and push or pull back, and you see how he moves away, and that is just that simple. The one twitch that we do not use at William Woods, but you may see in practice elsewhere, is the ear twitch. You'll grab the ear and twist and hold. You don't do that because it can cause permanent damage to the ear or the nerves in the ear, and it can also make them head shy. Next, we will be using the twitch. There's many types of twitches. There's a humane twitch, which will actually attach to itself, and we don't use those here. We've had some bad issues come up with that. You can use a chain twitch. We use a rope twitch, and all it is a chain that goes over here that you twist up. But however you want to, whenever you do this, you're going to want to reach up, grab as much of the nose as possible while twisting, slip this over the nose, and twist as tight as possible, and make sure to hold on with two hands, and make sure you communicate with your assistant what is going on in case something you were to let go or whatnot. Your responsibility is to that other person. Okay, so what we're going to do here is placing the string between my thumb and my little finger. I'm going to reach over here. I kind of have to grab a hold of that nose, slide it up there, we begin to twist. Trying to keep the twitch underneath my arm, just keep positive control. Once I've got it tight, I'll come down here, two hands, making sure to keep positive control again. And this releases endorphins, and you'll stay pretty calm for just about anything that you want to, anything you want to do for up to 10 minutes. Once you hit that 10-minute mark, we're going to a blow stage, and once you take it off, you want to take it off as quickly as possible and give him a good little rub down on his nose, and you should be done. Thank you. Conclusion, we do restraints for a number of reasons. We have a ticklish horse trying to clip. A lot of horses don't like to have their ears tacoed or cleaned out with the clippers, to give medications, to maybe even just doing a Coggins test. But it's just, most of these methods here are for quick and easy control whenever the horse is being non-compliant, and is to bring them into compliance. All right, thank you.